Here I have Motorola Moto G54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So basically you can switch it like this. You can hold down your finger on it to access some of its settings. You can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. So basically at 15% battery, this mode will be enabled automatically. You can also turn off when charged. Battery saver turns when your phone charges above 19%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.